Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be making French toast. It's a perfect breakfast food, and what makes them amazing is that it takes about 3 minutes to put together and is easy enough for anyone in the family to make. For those of you who are new here, welcome and make sure to subscribe. I upload easy, affordable, and delicious recipes on this channel on a weekly basis. The cool thing about this recipe is that we'll use ingredients that are probably already in your pantry. We'll need cinnamon, salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, 2 eggs, 2 to 3 slices of bread, butter, and of course, some maple syrup. In a large bowl, we'll mix in our eggs, milk, vanilla, and about a pinch of salt, and we'll whisk all the ingredients together until they're well combined. It's probably best to use a shallow dish that's large enough to dip a slice of bread. Add cinnamon to one side of the bread and dip the cinnamon side into the egg mixture. Let it sit for about 15 seconds, and in the meantime, add cinnamon to the upward facing side. At this point, we'll flip the bread to get the egg mixture on the entire slice of bread. Okay, it's now time to cook our cinnamon French toast. We'll melt some butter in a pan and cook our bread slices in it. Feel free to cook 1 slice at a time, but if you have a pan that's large enough to accommodate 2, you'll be able to get your delicious slices much faster. Our stove is currently on medium-high heat, and cook each side for about a minute and flip the French toast over. It will take anywhere between 2 and 2.5 minutes to get the perfect French toasts. The French toasts taste amazing when they're still nice and warm, and they pair well with maple syrup. With just a few simple ingredients, you can whip up a delicious meal for your family in 3 minutes, and it's a great way to start your morning. Once again, thanks for stopping by. Feel free to comment below on recipes you'd like to see on this channel. Till next time, ciao!